Chums, want to learn how to make your own sublimation lanyard? Let's do it! Okay chums, we'll skip the layout making for now and jump straight to the outcome. I use Adobe for this design and you can make yours there as well. Print the design using sublimation paper and sublimation ink. Don't forget to mirror the design before printing. Yes, don't forget to mirror your design. Trust me chums, you don't want your text coming out backwards. Place the printed sublimation paper with the design facing upward toward you. Then position the lanyard on top with its white side facing down directly onto the printed design. Secure it with thermal tape to prevent any shifting. Thermal tape is lifesaver here. Without it, your design might shift and all the effort will go to waste. Oh, just a reminder, before attaching the lanyard to the printed material, don't forget to place the blank sublimation lanyard on the heat press and pre-press it for about 20 or 25 seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles. Now, set your heat press to 180 degrees Celsius and press for 90 seconds. That's the magic combo chumps. Careful, this part gets really hard. Don't touch the press with your bare hands. This is the exciting part, the big reveal is coming. Once done, carefully remove the sublimation paper to reveal your printed design. Look at this print chumps, super clean and vibrant, no blurry edges here. Even the smallest details stand out. The logo prints crisp and clear, exactly how it should be. So chumps, if you're after quality prints that last, this is how your lanyard should look. Now it's time to assemble the lanyard. Start with the long lanyard strip. Attach it to the upper part of the side release buckle. At the end of the strip, make a hole using a soldering iron. Take your time here, chumps, because a strong assembly means a longer lasting lanyard. Insert an eyelet or remache and lock it securely with the button press. Next, take the short lanyard strip and attach it to the lower part of the side release buckle, together with the J-hook or O-hook that will hold the ID card. This buckle acts like a bridge, connecting your long and short lanyard strips together. Again, make a hole at the end, insert an eyelet, and lock it with the button press. The side release buckle now connects the long and short lanyards securely. And there you go chumps, a fully customized lanyard ready to use. Not only is this great for IDs, but imagine using it for events, giveaways, or even starting your own small business. Looks awesome, right? Totally worth the effort. Bye chumps, see you on my next vlog.